In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show internet speed on the taskbar in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Traffic Monitor GitHub release page. Once you're on the release page, look for the latest release section on the right side. Click the newest version available. Now scroll through the release files and download the correct zip file for your computer. For most Windows 11 PCs using Intel or AMD processors, download Traffic Monitor version 1.86x64.zip. If your PC uses an ARM processor, choose the ARM version instead. Wait for the download to finish. Next, open your Downloads folder and locate the Traffic Monitor zip file. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All. Choose where you want to extract the files, then click Extract. After the files are extracted, open the new Traffic Monitor folder. Find trafficmonitor.exe, then right-click it and select Run as Administrator. If User Account Control asks for permission, click Yes. A small Traffic Monitor window will now appear on your desktop. To show the internet speed on your taskbar, right-click the Traffic Monitor window. From the menu, select Show Taskbar Window. You should now see your upload and download speed indicator appear on the right side of the Windows taskbar. To make your desktop cleaner, right-click the Traffic Monitor window again and uncheck Show Main Window. The desktop window will disappear, but the internet speed monitor will stay visible on the taskbar. If you want Traffic Monitor to open automatically every time Windows starts, right-click the taskbar speed indicator. Open Options or Settings. Find the option called Run at Windows Startup and enable it. Save the changes. Now, Traffic Monitor will launch automatically whenever you start Windows, so your live upload and download speeds will always appear on the taskbar. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel, so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you on the next video.